Happy right now, happy. I'm happy because I'm going to Dubai in like, I don't even know how many hours. I'm ridiculous because right now I need to pack because I haven't really packed, and like I need to change money. I just need to do bare stuff, and I think I need to go and buy a few clothes. And yeah, I'm going to Dubai. This is my third time. My way. Yeah, Dad's dropping me to the station quickly because I'm running late for my coach. But you think I have too much luggage?
Yes.
I actually do have too much luggage, but you know, you just have to have options. So we're on our coach, on the way. Hi, Alice is here too.
Hi guys.
Yeah, we're going to Stansted. Exciting times. Emirates flight. Like, I haven't taken Emirates in a while, to be honest. It's always Virgin, PA, blah blah blah. But anyway, this is what they gave us, which is so cute. They did Polaroids and they put it in this like little book. Cute, yeah. So that was nice.
And another thing is you're not looking in the camera, you're looking up here.
Yeah, okay, sorry, I need to look down here. It's so awkward though. Do you want to see yourself? Hi Wendy, my forever travel buddy. How many holidays have we been on together now, Wendy?
New York, Barcelona,
Yeah.
Ghana, Dubai.
Yeah.
Dubai. Oh my god.
5. No, 4? 5. 5 holidays. That's quite a lot. I got chicken with biryani rice, and Wendy got lamb. Filling your face. She's got vegetables because she's healthy. Really, not really. I got her dessert. Yeah, we made it to Dubai. Wendy actually nearly didn't come in. Honestly, they were like, they were looking at her passport twice. They were like, let's go. Welcome to Miami. Welcome to Dubai. Welcome. I need to remember
591. 591.
Where we're staying. This place is so nice that we're staying in. Love it, love it, love it. There's dogs though. I'm already scared. Oh, the dogs are here. I've fallen in love with the dog. His name is Tyson and he's absolutely gorgeous. So we're going out. We're just going to Dubai Mall. But yeah, like we haven't done anything today. We've literally just been sleeping, chilling. But it's just been nice. Like I didn't, honestly guys, like I said, like this is literally my third time in Dubai. I did not come here to do activities. Like I haven't even booked activities. The only thing I booked is the yacht, and I'm gonna book Burj Khalifa because I've never done that. Just over it. Like I honestly just want to eat. Like I want to go to nice fancy places and munch food for days. Like I want to spend money I don't have. Broke and bougie, that is what this holiday is. But like literally hashtag broke and bougie. So yeah, come with me on my broken bougie journey. Maybe this will be like how you make £250 stretch vlog because that is all the money I have. Yeah, that is all I have. Hey girls.
No, look what happened.
Oh no, who did that?
No, when you took forever to get the mic.
Why?
She screamed as if someone killed her. It's because of this.
Why everyone's actually wearing black? Well, except for me and Danny. Really like, but guys in dark skin. I don't know why the light is like this, but the light is just good in here. Which is like, so you can see me clearly. Yeah. I'm so done with that. Hey. Guys, this area is so pretty. I know it's just like an area, but it's nice. it's good. The food here was massive, but we got individual bills, which is really good because it makes it easy for everyone. Because obviously there's a lot of us here. Day 2, guys. We're going to Dubai Marina Yacht Club. Guys, I'm actually having the worst day ever. Can you imagine? So first of all, I didn't wake up on time, so I had to do like rush dress. I'm not even wearing what I want to wear, and then I've forgotten my phone at home. Do you imagine? I just feel like you need to understand. And I like to like Snapchat loads of stuff. My Instagram is gonna be crying. They're actually gonna like be like, Tolly, where have you been? But you know, it's even my phone camera, everything about it. Like, it's just, you need your. And I'm going to the Bougie Khalifa. What photos am I gonna take on top? Oh, that's so tragic. All the, anyway, we'll talk about it later. Let me tell you a lot what's happening. Basically, we're late for our yacht. We didn't book it, so we're meeting the other half of our group that booked it. So we don't know what we're doing or where we're going. So it's a bit all of a mess, so we might miss it, but it's beautiful.
Now just turned up finally, and we got Wi-Fi, got the reservation thing, and I think it's taken us.
Guys, sorry, but this background is bang it. How long is the trip?
I think 2 hours.
2 hours.
We are crossing in Atlantis and inside around the pond.
Okay.
Careful though, Alice. The deck. I am so shook, boy. I don't know.
Okay, go left.
That's right, Tolu.
Go right.
Her daughter said she's not right. My mom and just surprised. I don't have much time.
I'm so scared right now.
Say that.
Guys, the yacht was actually amazing. I'm so happy we did it. It was just nice to fadgy with everybody.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
like
Jeez,
Michael
wow.
designer bags, Louis Vuitton, Prada, Gucci, Chanel.
Gucci, Chanel.
Yeah, you know, bags.
Bags. I want loads of bags. I want slippers. Slippers. What is it called again?
Yeah.
Jalabia.
Jalabia. This is jalabia.
Jalabia.
This is abaya. This is
Abaya.
abaya. People
And jalabia.
Jalabia.
Yeah.
Too much taking. I haven't seen many designs.
This is a jalabia?
Abaya.
No, abaya. This one's abaya.
Farash abaya. This is Dubai
Farash
special.
abaya. I like it. Put it up in my hand. Oh.
No, this is going
Going out?
nice. Yeah, going out.
Okay. Cool.
Very nice coming.
Hey, thanks. Okay.
Yes, you see Mira.
Italian silver.
Have a look.
Yeah, I want to get one. You said don't go to the first shop already now.
Have a look. This is the shop souvenir.
I like this one.
We're coming back out this way, right? Yeah. I will see you then.
Come out.
That's Naomi Campbell. Naomi? Miss Campbell? Miss Campbell?
Jamaica.
That is
Why here?
Oh, Shaggy Monkey.
How much?
Lady Gaga.
125. Oh, it's not a bag. It is a bag.
Lady Gaga.
This is what happens when black people find a deal. They all crowd in one shop. Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
Africa?
Nigeria.
Wow, Nigeria. You? Give me a picture. One picture more.
Bye.
Huge director. So he said, Karan Johar, he makes
We're going out to dinner.
I think I'll be fine, honestly. I think I'm
What's the place we're going to called again?
sorry. Waka.
Waka. What cuisine is it?
Huh?
What cuisine is it?
Peruvian.
So we just went to dinner at Waka and like it was a nice free dinner. Nice and free. Can I just say, Broke and Bougie was
That's actually